To protect American jobs, American businesses, I'm sure you're a fan of tariffs, right?
Tariffs is a double-edged sword, right? Because when you introduce a tariff, you create a distortion. So really, it should be used to rectify something that's being done against competition in another country, right? It shouldn't be to give us an advantage. It doesn't even have to be completely level, just close to being level, right?
It's not slanted.
Yeah, so let me give you an example for tariffs, right? So tariffs were put on a lot of steel products that were coming from Europe, Germany, from all over into the United States. So what happened at the time, this is a few years ago, the local mills, they just upped their prices 1% less than the tariff. So if it's a 25% tariff, they just increased their prices 24%. They didn't invest in new mills and all of that, right? Because it created a distortion. And the problem was they felt like this is a temporary fix. They're going to remove it. So they weren't making the capital investment and all of that. For example, in China, they do a tax export rebate. They've been doing it for decades. And our government has just allowed it to go like nobody saw it, didn't understand it. So if this product was exported, brought in from China, whoever exported it and got hard currencies into the central bank, they would get a rebate of 12% paid in yuan, right? So that is a huge amount, that causes a distortion. So in that case, I would recommend put a 12% tariff to level the field, because all we really need is a level playing field, right? If you slant the field in our favor now, the next administration might slant it the other way. That's my recommendation. Use tariffs to correct unfair practices being done in other places.
Thank you all for watching, and I encourage you, if you have any questions or you have any content you want us to make, please feel free to reach out. And let's make America manufacture again.